hard, fascinating, elegant, and honestly, this is one of my favorite geometry problems. A right triangle, two givens, ABC is 4 and this angle 54. And we should find x, the side AB. We could use trigonometry, sine, cosine, lots of calculation, lots of mistakes, but this is a clear idea that many people miss. Welcome to Geomathic. Let's go step by step so we fully understand the idea. 90 degrees, 54 degrees, so the third angle is 180 minus 90 minus 54 gives us 36 degrees. But this is not about angles. So what's the idea? First step, we extend AB to a point D. That the length AD becomes 4. So I show it here. AD now is 4. Now we connect point D to point C. We said AD equals 4 and AB equals x. Therefore, DB should be 4 minus x. 4 minus x. If AD equals 4 and AC equals 4, then the triangle ADC is an isosceles triangle. That means if the vertex angle is 36 degrees, so the two base angles are equal. Each of them becomes 180 minus 36 over 2, or 72 degrees. This one and this one, 72. Second step, imagine point E is the reflection of point D on the baseline. Then EB equals BD. So if BD equals 4 minus x, then EB should be also 4 minus x. Now connect C to E. Okay, we notice something important. Look at triangle ECB and DCB. One shared side, we call it H. Equal sides EB and BD, both of them are 4 minus x, and one right angle for both of them. Yes, the triangles are congruent by two sides and included angle. I write that the triangle ECB is congruent to the triangle DCB. By side, angle, and side. And since ECB and DCB are congruent, then CE equals CD. I show them and I write them here. CD equals CE. And if CE equals CD, then the triangle ECD is also an isosceles triangle. Therefore, their base angles should be equal. If D is 72 degrees, E is 72 degrees. This is a straight line, means it's 180 degrees. So, if this angle is 72 degrees, this one should be 180 minus 72, or 108 degrees. Let's look at triangle AEC. 36 degrees, 108 degrees, and the last one is clear. 180 minus 36 minus 108, which is equal to 36 degrees. And that tells us this is an isosceles triangle too. AEC. AEC. One base angle is 36, other one 36, so this is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, AE should be equal to EC. I show that the more we move forward, the more interesting it gets. Now we combine all the pieces and finally get the answer. The only unknown here is X, which means everything has to be written in terms of X. We know AE equals EC equals CD, and we can find AE in terms of X. We know AB equals X and AB equals 4 minus X. So AE equals AB minus 4 minus X, or X minus 4 minus X. I write that AE equals EC equals CD, and AE equals X minus 4 minus X, or AE equals 2X minus 4. And if AE equals 2X minus 4, then CD and EC should be equal 2X minus 4. And here we need to CD. So CD is also equal to 2X minus 4. Another time, look at triangle BCD. We know the triangle BCD is a right triangle, so the Pythagorean theorem can be applied. The hypotenuse is CD, one leg is H, and other leg is 4 minus X. So I write that H squared equals the hypotenuse, or CD here, 2X minus 4 squared minus BD, or 4 minus X, minus 4 minus X squared. Expand it. H squared equals 2X squared equals 4 times X squared minus 2 times 2X times 4 equals 16X plus 4 squared, 16, minus 4 squared, 16, minus 2 times 4 times X, 8X plus X squared. Simplify this, and then we have H squared equals 3 times X squared minus 8X. Let's keep this aside for now. Back to the main triangle ABC, which is a right triangle, and we can use the Pythagorean theorem again. AC is hypotenuse equals 4, one side is X, and H that we already found. So I write the hypotenuse squared 16 equals X squared plus H squared, which is 3 times X squared minus 8 times X. Let's divide all by 4, and we have X squared minus 2X minus 4 equals 0. And this is the main quadratic equation we have. Now we can find the roots using the discriminant, and discriminant says B squared minus 4AC, and B here is minus 2. Then we have 4 minus 4 times minus 4 equals 20. Then we have two roots for this equation, so two roots are equal minus b plus minus the square root of 20 over 2a. A here is 1, then we have 2 plus minus the square root of 20 over 2. You can split 20 as 4 times 5. Then we have 2 plus minus 2 times the square root of 5 over 2. And 2's cancel out. And finally we have 1 plus minus the square root of 5. Length cannot be negative, so the positive 1 is our answer. X equals 1 plus the square root of 5. Drop a like and have a good time.